I'm standing in the living room of a project that we just got done with. Now, when I say project, what we did is I helped a buyer find a property, and this one's on a lake. It was the location. We searched multiple lakes. This is the one that they liked. There wasn't a lot of houses to choose from, and the ones that they did have to choose from, you know, they didn't like the style, the finishes, it was dated, or it was really expensive and had high-end finishes, but it wasn't their style. It didn't make them feel good, didn't make them feel like they were at home. So what we did is we got the location, we found a property, and again, with my 26 years of experience in building, I went in and talked about what it would cost to renovate the property and talked about, you know, the vision, the design of what it could be. So there's a little bit of trust in there. Not everyone can see an entire home looking completely different. So what we did is we moved forward on that. We found a property. We actually negotiated the price down and went under budget. Got a house that was dated, and then we went through and we updated it. So now, not only is it an updated property, and did they most likely save money from buying this if someone did this before they got here, but it is exactly their style. They paid what they paid for the property, paid more to get it renovated, but now it's 100% theirs. No one, you know, the style, this fireplace behind me, this house is now 100% their style. They love it. So what I'm trying to get at here is inventory is short right now, but if you have some vision and someone can help you with that vision of what a place could be, you can really go out and get something under budget, put a little bit of money into it, overall save money compared to going and getting a multiple offer situation, spending more than you want to originally because you need to get that property and you love it and it's all updated. Well, buy one that they're not competing over, one that is a little ugly, the one that does need some repairs, some updating. Get that property, put your own sweat equity or money into that property, and ultimately get a house that's renovated exactly the way you want it. And you end up paying less for it than you would have if you bought it on the market where someone was trying to get top dollar because they already spent all that money and wanted to get it back. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to say here. A little bit of vision will save you a lot of money and ultimately get you a better house and one that you love even more. So with all that said, I'm gonna go ahead and just give you a little before and after of this project for when it was when the clients first bought it and then what we did to renovate it and make it theirs. It turned out fantastic. If I do say so myself, let me know what you think.